So, hello guys, this is my sister's YouTube channel. She said I can video this time, and she says if it gets um kind of a lot of likes, then I can do it again. So, yeah. I'm gonna be like a little awkward because I've never done this before, but I'm sorry if I am. I'm just nervous. So, what I'm gonna do today is fixing an old slime. I had this like for a couple of months. It's not that bad. It's just I think it needs a little makeover. So this is the slime I made like 2 months ago. I don't know what theme I was really going for. It was just blue and then I added glitter, but I want to change it. It's a little sticky, so I want to add some activator first. Now this is borax with water, but hopefully it turns out better. Now, a lot of people have done videos like this, so I'm not trying to copy. I mean, I just thought it was a good idea because great minds think alike. So, okay, and then I want to make it a little fluffy, so I'm gonna add some shaving cream. Now, when you add shaving cream, of course, your color is gonna become a little lighter. Now, of course, glitter's coming off, which is fine because I kind of don't want the glitter. But if I want to pick it out, that's going to be so hard because it's so little. To soften it up, I'm going to use coconut oil. I use coconut oil. I know much people don't really use coconut oil. I usually use regular lotion, but I like coconut oil because, I don't know, it just smells really good. And it just smells like paradise. And who does not want their slime to smell like paradise? And it makes it stretchier. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Oops. Sorry, guys. Yes, glitter's coming off. The only time I don't want glitter in something, because I actually love glitter, but getting it out of things is so annoying. I even threw glitter at my boyfriend. I kind of felt bad for him, but oh well. It's not me, so better him than me, even though he got it off. But this is why I need to apologize to you all. Hopefully my sister knows how to edit, because this needs editing. But she's still new to it, which is alright. You gotta start somewhere. Because everyone started off small. Okay, this is way better. I like the consistency better. I want to change the color, but I can't really change it to like a vibrant different color. So I'm gonna mix colors. I'm gonna add some red to change it to purple. Okay, this part's turning a little bit pink. I'm not really sure what color it's gonna turn into. It should be purple, I swear. If it's not purple, I'm gonna like just be shocked. it's oh, it's like different colored. Seriously, guys, it's like blue with like stripes of purple. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm gonna add more. I swear, like when you add a little drop of red, it usually turns like a pink or like it does a lot with one drop. And I don't want to add too much because I've seen people add too much and it like affects it too much, and I don't want to affect it really much. I'm sorry if I'm like awkward, but like I promise I'm not this awkward. It's just I'm not used to talking to the camera. Like if I have a person I can talk to, then yes, I won't be awkward, but just talking to cameras like not awkward at all, I guess. Okay, it's more purple. I'm gonna add another drop because it's still like a blue, like it's like a light blue. Oh geez, that's a lot. If I stain my desk, I'm gonna tell my mom that my sister did it. Oh my god, it's staining. Oh wait, no, I'm good. It looks like it's coming off. Okay, I'm good. I don't know why, but I like purple a lot. Like not a lot, but purple's alright. Okay, this is becoming more of a vibrant purple. Now, yes, it still has blue glitter, but if I try and take that all off, it's gonna take a while, and I don't want you guys to watch a boring video of me just getting glitter out of the slime. Okay, that's way better. It's more of a purple color. So yeah, maybe I can get the glitter out over time off the camera and then probably show you guys the final result, or maybe add less of a glitter to it. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have not subscribed to my sister, please do. I mean, you got to start off somewhere, and I think she's doing a good job so far starting off. I want to help give her more advice for the future, and maybe we can like do more entertaining stuff. Like I want to go and like do some things that are really really fun, but kind of dangerous. And yeah, you know, people these days, they're like always angry, and I don't know. Well, thanks for watching, and sorry you have to listen to me being awkward. I promise I'll try and get used to it. And thanks for watching. Bye.